Hello, we are the students of Vellore Institute of Technology, team number 87, and we have built this drone for the TI Analog Design Contest 2012-2013. Ours is a well-designed drone with all the motors placed equidistant from the center, which ensures that the physical center of the drone and the center of mass remains the same. It helps us to gain stability of the drone. Now, as we move more into the video, we'll get into the details of the project. Now we'll explain about what all components we are using. This is the fiber frame that we are using, which ensures longer flight time and durability. We are using 4 brushless DC motors. The RPM of this motor is 1120 and the power rating is 336 watts. These together provide a thrust of 1130 grams. This is the electronic speed controller that we are using. The current rating of this controller is 40 amperes, which is compatible with our motors. These are the propellers that we are using. 2 of them are clockwise and 2 of them are anti-clockwise. The dimensions of the propellers are 10 into 4.5, which is suitable for the size and weight of our drone. This is the 11.1 volts LiPo battery that we are using, which is connected to a power distribution board, which ensures that the equal power is given to all the given ESCs. This is the controller board that we are using, Arduino Uno. It uses the Atmega 328 IC. We chose this controller as it was easy to generate PWM signals through it to drive our motors. It has various ADC pins which are connected to the output of the sensors. We have designed and fabricated our sensor board ourselves. This is the 3-axis accelerometer and this is the 2-axis gyroscope that we are using. Together, these enhance the stability of our drone. The output of these sensors is given to the controller, which converts it into acceleration and angular acceleration respectively. This is the RF receiver A434 that we are using, which is used to communicate between the transmitter and the drone. We have connected a decoder HT12D to the receiver in order to receive data serially from the transmitter. The output of the decoder is given to the controller for the required action. We are using 4 TI ICs, 2 of which are the voltage regulators LM317T and LM7805, manufactured by National Semiconductors in order to get an output of 3.3 volts and 5 volts respectively. We are also using the temperature sensor LM335AM for fire detection purposes, which is surface mounted at the solder side of the PCB. We are also using the GPS GNS module CC4000 TC6000GN. It uses the NMEA protocol and gives us the location of a drone. This is the transmitter board that we have designed in order to control the drone. The data is being fed into the microcontroller PIC16F887 through the SPDT switches, which then goes into the encoder HT12E, which serially transmits the data through the A434 transmitter. We have used this programmer to program the PIC microcontroller. According to the data that is being fed into the microcontroller using the SPDT switches, the drone can be controlled in 6 ways. For the forward motion, we decrease the speed of these 2 motors. For the backward motion, we decrease the speed of these 2 motors. For the drone to move right, we decrease the speed of these 2 motors. And for the drone to move left, we decrease the speed of these 2 motors. Then for the drone to hover, we increase the speed of all the motors simultaneously but slowly. And then for the landing, we decrease the speed of all the motors simultaneously and slowly.
लास्ट ही बोल रहा है